Replacing radiator valves with Netatmo Additional Smart Radiator Valves. The Additional Smart Radiator Valve works only with the Netatmo Smart Thermostat or the Netatmo Smart Radiator Valve Starter Pack. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the Netatmo Additional Smart Radiator Valve. Before installation, ensure on check.netatmo.com that your installation is compatible. Netatmo Smart Radiator Valves replace thermostatic valves. You can install the valves yourself. No expert knowledge is required. The installation is simple and can be done in any season, even when the radiators are heating. If your installation also includes manual valves, you can leave them as they are or call a professional plumber. This video shows you how to replace thermostatic valves with the Netatmo Smart Radiator Valves. To install the additional Smart Radiator Valve, you need a private Wi-Fi network, a smartphone or tablet. In the Netatmo Additional Smart Radiator Valve box, you have the valve and its batteries, color adhesives, a plastic bag containing the adapters and their accessories, the adapter selection guide, and the quick installation guide. Step 1. Prepare the Smart Radiator Valves for installation. Open the Netatmo Energy app. Go to Settings. Click on Install a new product. Choose Additional Radiator Valves. Follow the instructions in the app. To insert the batteries into the valve, open the valve by holding down the front panel and rotating anti-clockwise. Pull back and then lift up the metal cover. Insert the batteries, ensuring the positive and negative ends correspond. Close and secure the metal cover by pushing the cover forward. Reinsert the front panel, ensuring the hooks correspond. A radio signal will blink on the screen to show that the valve is connecting to the relay. Follow the instructions in the app. Select the valve for setup. Choose the room type to allocate your valve. Name the room. Name your valve. You can customize your valve with one of the included color adhesives. Choose a color. Remove the sticker cover. Stick the adhesive to the back of the valve. Step 2. Screw the Netatmo Additional Smart Radiator Valve onto your radiator. Take the valve, the plastic bag with the adapters, and the adapter manual guide and go to the room where you allocated your valve in the app. To remove the thermostatic valve that you want to replace, hold the existing thermostatic valve and unscrew the valve securing ring. You will need an adapter to fix your Netatmo valve to the radiator valve body. To identify the suitable adapter, read the adapter selection guide or watch the video online at adapter.netatmo.com. Fix your adapter onto the body of your radiator. Hold the valve with the screen facing out. Rotate the securing ring until the valve is secured. The display shows the room temperature. To change the temperature set point, turn the valve clockwise or anti-clockwise. The set point temperature is temporarily displayed on a black background. Great! Your Netatmo Additional Smart Radiator Valve is now ready to use. Continue exploring the app to set up your personalized schedule for this valve and save even more energy. To control more rooms, purchase more additional smart radiator valves.